Now we will see curvilinear motion in radial and polar coordinate system. First we will read the problem completely. Rod OA rotates about point O in horizontal plane. The motion of 400-gram collar beam is defined by the relation R equal to 500 plus 300 sin pi t in millimeter, and theta equal to 2 pi in bracket t cube minus 2t, and theta is always given in radian where t is in seconds, that is time. Determine the radial and transverse component of the force on collar when t equal to 0 seconds. Now what is given r and theta in terms of t? Just find out first and second derivative of r and theta. So here r equal to 500 plus 300 into sin pi t. Its derivative is r dot, this one, which is equal to 300 cos of pi t into pi, and r double dot, that is double derivative of r, which is equal to minus 300 pi square sin of pi t, because derivative of cos is minus of sin pi t. Similarly, theta dot and theta double dot you have to find out. What is theta? Equal to 2 pi into bracket t cube minus 2t. So theta dot equal to 2 pi into 3t square minus 2. Theta double dot is equal to 2 pi into 6t. Now we have to find out AR, that is radial component of acceleration, and A theta, that is radial component of polar component of acceleration. Now AR equal to r double dot minus r into theta dot square. This is a formula which we have to by heart. So r double dot when t equal to 0, first find out these values, r double dot and theta dot. So r double dot is 0 when t is 0, because sin 0 is 0. R equal to 500. Okay, 500 plus this is again sin 0 0, so only r equal to only 500, and theta dot square, that is minus 4 pi bracket square, that is 16 pi square. Now substitute these values in this formula. You will get AR equal to minus 78956.835 mm per second square, because r is given in mm, so it is mm per second square. Similarly, find out A theta. Its formula is A theta equal to r theta double dot plus 2 times r dot theta dot. Now find out these values at time t equal to 0. So theta double dot is 0, r dot equal to 300 pi, and theta dot equal to minus 4 pi. How you will get these values? Putting t equal to 0 in this theta double dot, then r dot and theta dot. Okay, so you will get value of A theta as minus 23687.050 mm per second square. So these are acceleration components AR and A theta. Mass is given 400 gram. In kg it is 0.4 kg. AR is in mm per second square. Just take it in meter per second square. So we will get force in Newton, that is kg meter per second square is Newton. So radial force is mass into radial acceleration, which is equal to mass is 0.4 into this value AR. So that will give you FR, radial force, equal to minus 31.58 Newton, and F theta is equal to m mass into acceleration A theta. So it is 0.4 mass into minus 23.6 687, that is a theta. So that will give you the polar force F theta equal to